The 2018 proof silver dollar. This silver dollar here commemorates the 240th anniversary of Captain Cook at Nootka Sound. Every year, silver dollars sell out and are a key part of every coin collector's collection. This one here is limited to 20,000 pieces, comes with the certificate, the maroon clamshell box, and the outside beauty box. Each certificate will be limited and numbered inside. This coin here is made of 99.99% pure silver and retails for $59.95. All of these coins are available on our website, westedmontoncoinandstamp.com, or in store at mint issue price.